Laying low, no place to go.
Who is she? Who is she?
Who are you?
Your best friend.
I'm Imo's fiance. You say what? She's what?
Back to my channel Talk with Fresh. It's your favorite girl, and on today's movie we have Hearts Over Time. Now Hearts Over Time is a movie starring Bolaji Ogunmola, Kanaga Jnr, Tope Olowoniyo, and Kayode Ojulape, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now you can watch this movie at Bolaji Ogunmola TV. Honestly, Bolaji Ogunmola is one of the actresses that I feel Nollywood underrates the most. This lady is a bundle of talent. So that, by the way, this movie, as I would always tell you, I give you movies with lessons, movies with character, movies with insights. Now, this movie has three basic lessons from me. Number one, playing with people's feelings when they're in quotes in love with you or in a relationship with you is a very main thing to do. Secondly, imperfect matches can turn out to be the most perfect matches, as love is the coming together of two imperfect people to form a beautiful bond. Now, the third lesson is for a relationship to work, the two people involved must be willing to put in the efforts, they must be willing to put in the time and the patience to make it work. Now, this is the end of my lessons. At this point, I'm going to tell you to please like, share, and subscribe. Subscription is totally and will always be free. Don't forget to head over to Bolaji Ogunmola TV to watch this movie and come back and thank me for this movie recommendation. Okay, guys, please, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.